Okay, Speed Queen Washers. You see this little clamp right here? Go to your hardware store, Harbor Freight, Ace Hardware, Lowe's, Home Depot, and get a small 1-inch, 1.5 inch C-clamp, Carpenter C-clamp. That clothespin thing for holding this down is a freaking joke. What happens is it works for a while, and then up and down and up and down, and the clothespin falls off. Down inside, back there on the floor. Get you a C-clamp. Put the C-clamp on there where the clothespin goes to hold the little switch down. When you lift the lid, the switch then doesn't go click, and it'll never fall off again. That $2 investment will save you a lot of frustration. Good luck, y'all. This is for the Speed Queen Washers. But that annoying ass turns the water off when you lift the lid. Good luck.